Cox Health is the first hospital in Missouri to offer rape kits through the use of telehealth technology in all of its emergency rooms 24/7. Good evening to you. I'm Heather Lewis.
Good to have you along here at 10. Once again, I'm David Oliver. So according to Cox Health, this will radically increase accessibility to sexual assault patients in rural areas. Caller 10's Madison Heaver up first tonight with more on how they're making this possible. Madison.
Yeah, David, if a patient walks into a Cox Health emergency room, even in rural areas, sexual assault nurse examiners, also known as SANE, will be able to connect through telehealth to a patient and an on-site nurse to administer the kit.
Through the use of telehealth technology, we're able to offer sexual assault forensic exams at all of our emergency departments throughout the Cox Health system, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Brooke Batesall is the TeleSane coordinator and the assistant forensic coordinator at Cox Health. She says before the telehealth technology for forensic exams was available, patients would often have to make a decision to travel for an exam.
Prior to this, we had some rural sites that were able to provide forensic exams, but not 24/7. So in those instances, patients would have to travel to Springfield, where we have had 24/7 coverage, to have those exams. So that could be up to 90 miles of travel.
But that wasn't the only barrier.
Gas money, transportation, childcare. Because of all of those different barriers, there were a lot of patients that didn't travel, didn't come for the exams for many different reasons.
If a patient goes to a rural Cox Health ER,
they connect with the sexual assault nurse examiner from Springfield, and the sexual assault nurse examiner leads the exam with the on-site nurse.
And evidence is collected if the patient consents.
That could be blood, urine, hair, fingernail, whatever is appropriate for that specific patient. We seal that, release it to law enforcement if they have consented to that.
But patients don't have to release their kit to police.
We just like to meet patients where they're at and support them in whatever road that they choose.
She says offering forensic exams or rape kits 24/7 in all Cox Health emergency rooms will help patients get the care they deserve.
We're not really sure what to expect for each site specifically. In Springfield, we serve between 150 and 200 patients with complaints of sexual assault each year. It's important for us to be able to offer the highest level of care to patients no matter which Cox Health facility that they present to. It's also very rewarding to be able to provide this to patients.
Funding for these exams through telehealth came from a grant awarded by the Missouri Department of Social Services Violent Crime Act. The funding also helps provide comfort items like hygiene, clothing, and shoes for victims at discharge.